Learning a new language can feel like a daunting task. The unfamiliar sounds, the new grammar rules, and the vast vocabulary can seem overwhelming at first. But what if I told you that you could get started in just 10 minutes? Yes, just 10 minutes a day can set you on the path to mastering a new language. It's all about taking those first exciting steps. Start with simple words and phrases and gradually build up your knowledge. This isn't about becoming fluent overnight. It's about making steady progress and enjoying the learning process. It's about opening the door to a new language and having fun with it. Embrace the mistakes and celebrate the small victories. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Imagine the thrill of understanding a new language and the joy of communicating with people from different backgrounds. Learning a new language opens up a world of possibilities. It can enhance your travel experiences, boost your career, and even improve your cognitive abilities. You can connect with new people, experience different cultures, and broaden your horizons. The world becomes a smaller, more connected place. It's an incredible journey, and it all starts with a single step. Each word you learn is a step closer to fluency. In the next few minutes, we'll explore some practical and enjoyable ways to kickstart your language learning adventure. From apps to flashcards, and from watching movies to speaking with native speakers, there are countless methods to make learning fun and effective. Remember, every little effort counts and consistency is key. Make language learning a part of your daily routine and watch as your skills grow over time. The best way to approach language learning is with a positive attitude. When you start with a smile and an open mind, the process becomes much more enjoyable and effective. Be curious, be open to making mistakes, and most importantly, have fun. Embrace the quirks and the challenges of the new language. Laugh at your mistakes and learn from them. Think of it as a game, a puzzle to solve. Consistency is key. Just like any game, the more you play, the better you get. Each word and phrase you learn is a piece of the puzzle. Dedicate just 10 minutes each day, and you'll be amazed at the progress you can make. Those small, consistent efforts add up over time, leading to significant improvements. Don't worry about being perfect. Embrace the learning process and celebrate your achievements along the way. Each milestone, no matter how small, is a step forward. Remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a long-term commitment requires patience and perseverance. Pace yourself, enjoy the journey, and you'll be speaking your new language before you know it. The journey itself is rewarding, filled with new discoveries and personal growth. One of the most rewarding aspects of learning a new language is being able to connect with native speakers. And it all starts with a simple hello. Imagine yourself in a foreign country, confidently greeting a local in their language. It's a magical feeling. Start by learning basic greetings like hello, goodbye, please, and thank you. These simple phrases will not only boost your confidence but also show respect for the culture you're embracing. Plus, they'll come in handy in countless situations. Numbers are the building blocks of any language, and mastering them will unlock a whole new level of communication. Start by learning the numbers from 1 to 10. Once you have those down, you can easily count to higher numbers. Practice counting objects around you, like the books on your shelf or the steps you take. Knowing your numbers will come in handy when shopping, ordering food, or even just asking for directions. It's a practical skill that you'll use time and time again. Section 5. Common words. Building blocks of communication. Just like numbers, common words are essential for everyday conversations. Focus on learning words like I, you, he, she, this, that, eat, drink, sleep, and so on. These words are the foundation upon which you can build more complex sentences. Look for opportunities to use these words in simple sentences. For example, you could say, I eat bread, or she drinks water. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. Section 6. Unlock the secrets of pronunciation. Pronunciation is key to understanding and being understood in a new language. The best way to improve your pronunciation is to listen to native speakers as much as possible. You can find audio resources online through language learning apps or by watching movies and TV shows in your target language. Pay attention to the way native speakers move their mouths and try to imitate them. Don't be afraid to record yourself and compare your pronunciation to that of a native speaker. Practice makes perfect. Section 7. Memory tricks. Your secret weapon. In this section, we will explore some powerful techniques to enhance your memory and make learning new vocabulary a breeze. Remembering new vocabulary can be challenging, but memory tricks can make it fun and effective. These tricks not only help you retain information, but also make the learning process enjoyable and engaging. One popular technique is using flashcards. Flashcards are a simple yet powerful tool that can significantly boost your memory retention. Write the foreign word on one side and the English translation on the other. This method allows you to test your recall and reinforce your memory through repetition. Test yourself regularly and move the cards you know well to a separate pile. This way you can focus on the words you find more challenging, ensuring a more efficient learning process. Another effective method is creating associations. Associating new words with familiar images or concepts can make them easier to remember. For example, if you're trying to remember the Spanish word for dog, which is perro, you could imagine a dog wearing a beret. This visual association helps cement the word in your memory. The sillier the association, the more memorable it will be. Don't be afraid to get creative and have fun with it. The more unique and humorous your associations, the better they will stick in your mind. Section 8. Practice makes perfect. Use it or lose it. The key to language learning is consistent practice. Even if you can only spare 10 minutes a day, make the most of it. Review vocabulary, practice pronunciation, and try to form simple sentences. The more you use the language, the more confident you'll become. Look for opportunities to use your new language in real-life situations. Chat with native speakers online, join a language exchange group, or even try ordering food in your target language. Section 9. Embrace the journey. You've got this. Learning a new language is an incredible journey, and every step you take is a victory. Remember to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're an essential part of the learning process. And most importantly, have fun. So go ahead, embrace the challenge, and enjoy the incredible journey of language learning. You've got this.